BMW X7. It's 4.0i. This one is in skyscraper gray metallic. Client brought it in for front PPF. You know, paint correction, of course, always gets done prior. Then we did Xpel PPF on the front end, and then ceramic coating on the entire exterior. No window tint on this one. This belongs to the wife, and she doesn't like tint. So next will be his 760, I believe, and that one will get the same package, but will get tint as well. Beautiful, beautiful color. I don't think I've ever had this particular gray in the shop. And as always, I like to show the quality of our work. And oops, I mean, if I could only record what I'm showing, but the lack of exposure of the film anywhere. I mean, everything is tucked away, which is not always the case. I mean, we often get cars here that already have been PPF'd, and most of the time when clients do come here with prior PPF, they have us remove everything and paint correct, because then it turns out that the cars were never paint corrected before the PPF was done. So then we do the paint correction and then reapply the film. And then most clients of ours also, of course, choose the ceramic coating. But it's really a beautiful color. And I know there are so many grays in the BMW lineup. Some of them have a little bit of a bluish tint. Some, of course, are lighter, darker. This one is right in the middle, I believe, and I think it's an absolutely beautiful color. So this is ready. Like I said, once it gets picked up, the 760 will get dropped off for the same treatment. The interior just received a regular cleaning, nothing major was needed. Nice, comfortable seats. Everything gets coated in the door jambs as well. I think even the wheels are a beautiful match. You know, you have the matte black, outer grille edges, and then this gloss black on everything else. And then the wheels are a beautiful darker gray combined with silver, which I think really stands out. Yeah, anybody in the South Florida area interested in quality work, this is what we do. We work on only 2 projects at a time. We're only a 2-man shop. Nothing here gets rushed, and everything gets done to the highest level of quality, always.